6, 9, 5, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30,
4.
4, 8, 10, 12,
Walang 10.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, thank you. 28 ba?
Opo, 28.
28, 32, 32, 36, 40.
Correct, 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Okay, next, 6.
6, 12, 18, 20, 24.
Walang 20.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 36, 42, 42, 42, 48, 48, 50. I want to say 54.
Tama.
54, 60.
Next, 7.
7, 14, 21, 28. 7, 14, 21, 28, 55, 42. 42, 49, 54,
6.
56, 63, 70.
Isa pa.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
Correct, 8.
8, 16, 20, 24, 35, 40.
32.
7, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. 48, 48, 48, 50, 48, 56, 56, 7,
64.
64, 72, 80.
Isa pa.
18, 16, 24, 32, 14, 40, 48, 56, 60, 59,
6.
56, 56, 64, 64, 73, 80.
72.
72, 80.
Isa pa.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 50, 56, 64, 73,
2.
72, 80.
Okay, 9 na.
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20.
100. Okay. Sige. So this one, kuya, we will do this one. Okay, sige daw. Remember mo yung mga previous natin? 2/3 plus 4/5.
Times, diba?
Yes po. Basta butterfly times. Next. Next. 3 times 4, 8. Very good. 10 plus 12. Correct. 22 all over 15. Is that our final answer? Hindi. Dito ka kuya solve para hindi ma-distract dyan. Okay. Very good. Sino na sa loob? Si 22, correct. Sa labas, si 15. 22 divided by 15. Correct. 1 times 15. Very good. So, tama. Minus. Oops, dito ka decide mag-start. 2 minus 5. Pwede hindi. Hindi. So, anong gagawin ni 2? Borrow. Will become 1. Si 2 magiging 12. 12 minus 5, kuya. Correct. Tama. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so 12 nalagay. Make it into a mixed number. 1, correct? Correct? Congratulations. So, that's the final answer. 1, 7, and 15. Next, kuya. Okay. Next, 2/5 plus 2/5. Oops. Di ba same ang denominator? If same ang denominator, you copy it. Copy lang. Then, huwag kang mag-butterfly. Yan. Oh, 4/5. So, that is our final answer. Hindi. That is next. Correct. Okay, congrats. Next. Very good. 16. 15 minus 16. Negative 1. Lagay. Okay, 24. Okay, next. Dito. Multiplication.
24.
24. Ay, 8 times 3, 21 ito? It's not 21. It's 24, ha? Okay. Next. Dito na, sa taas. Multiplication.
8, 16, 24, 35.
Wala 35.
30, 48, 48, 48, 56.
That's the answer na.
56.
56. Okay, next. Okay, 20 and 56. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
20.
5 times 4, 40.
Oh, yeah.
20 and 56. Can we reduce it? Hindi. We can by 4. Reduce it by 4, kuya.
4, 8, 16, 20, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
That's the answer. Sa taas. 5. Next.
20, 24, 28. 28, 30,
2,
32, 34,
6,
36, 50,
40,
40, 42,
44,
44, 48, 52,
52,
56,
56. So how much?
14.
14, correct. Next, dito na. That's the final answer. Oops, multiplication ito, not addition or subtraction. Okay, next. Oh, 10 and 81. We cannot reduce it na kuya. So 10 and 81 is the final answer. Close it. Next. Di ba multiply yan? Huwag ka mag-divide. You do that one, di ba? Correct. Next. Oh, 14 and 18. Very good. Where do you put 8? Diyan sa 1 mo ilalagay si 8. Not sa under sa kay 1, but under sa kay 4. Okay, erase it si 8. Okay, minus. 14 minus 8. 4 minus 8, pwede hindi. Okay, 0. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8.
13, 12, 11, 12, 8, 7.
Okay, next. Wala na di bang number? You have to turn it into a mixed number. 8 and 6, can we reduce it? Hindi. We can.
2, 4, 6,
Correct. Where is the big number? Okay, next. Six all over 3. Is that our final answer? You have to turn it into a mixed number. 6 tapos 3. 6 divided by 3. Very good. 6 minus 6, 0. So what's the final answer? You cannot, this one na kuya. Pag once ganit na 0 ang final answer, you don't have to turn that one into mixed number. But instead, your final answer is 2 lang. Okay? Okay, so very good. Natapos mo lahat. For today, kuya, I will introduce you a new fraction, ha? Tinatawag ito siyang mixed number, kuya. Okay, drink mo na your Yakult. You shake it. Okay, this one, oh. At the bottom, kuya, of the Yakult, that one, yung parang color yellow, yan siya yung vitamins. Okay? So, para siyang nag-drown, kuya. So, ang gagawin mo, before you drink, you do the shaking talaga. Okay? Wala na, open mo na. Sige. So, for this one, kuya, is what if meron ganito? 3, tapos, 4 all over 5. Plus, 2/3. If merong ganito kuya na given, you cannot directly solve for it kuya ha. Why man? Because what kind of fraction is this one? Mixed kuya. Ito, what kind of fraction?
Normal.
Proper. Okay? So we cannot do it directly. So ano yung gagawin mo kuya? You have to turn this mix muna into an improper. So you will do this one. You multiply. After you multiply, you add.
I
So,
thought it's this.
you thought what?
Plus then multiply.
Baliktad kuya. Mauna muna ang times, tapos you add. Okay? Sige, so you copy this one lang na term dito. 5 times 3
15,
plus 4.
16,
15 plus 4.
18,
15 plus 4.
16, 17, 18, 19.
Yun, 19. After na find out mo na 19 kuya, you copy the 5 lang. Sige daw, you process it daw kuya. Kay this one, improper tapos proper. So look at ano ba yung titingnan first? The denominator, are they the same? Hindi. Hindi. So since hindi, you do the butterfly. Very good. 5 times 3, 10. 5 times 3 muna. 5 times 3, the denominator, di ba muna? 5 times 3. 15. Next. 3 times 19. You do the solution para mabilis. You put 19 in here, tapos i-times mo ng 3. Times 3. 3 times 9. You can do it from 27. 7, you carry 2. 3 times 1.
1.
3 times 1, 3.
5.
57. 57 dyan, you copy add sign. Plus, 5 times 2. 57 plus 10. 67. All over 15. 67 all over 15. Is that our final answer? Okay, very good. You put?
I need to pick.
Okay, so ayan o.
P.
Ay, P. Okay, go. P, P, P. Uh, 67 divided by 15. Put 15 kuya sa side. You will do the trial and error. Sa trial and error, multiply ang gagamitin. Okay. Right? Bakit si 67 ang itry mo? Ang itry mo lang kuya is si 15. Diba? The answer should not go beyond 67. So si 15 lang ang pwede mo na itry. 2, 15. 0, tama? 20. Is it enough kuya? Hindi. So what's next? Okay. Next. Oh, 75. It's greater than 67. So, very good.
Okay.
Okay, very good. 4 times 1. So the answer is 4. 4 times 15. It's 60. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 0, 7. 6 minus 6, okay, 0. So, make it into a mixed number. Congratulations! Let's find the answer. Okay, isa pa kuya. Okay.
Nantat na?
Hindi, isa pa na example na ganito. 2, 7, plus 4, 5. Okay? Sige daw. Tingnan natin. Very good. Last. Tama kuya. 7 times 5.
35.
Plus 2.
27.
37. Sige. 37 all over what? Very good. 237. Next. Plus 4 fifth. 4 fifth equals.
Ano pa sa class?
Go. Sakit ang tabi mo? Go, go, go.
Ano pa?
Sakit ko yun ko, ma'am. Nag-go siya plus.
Drink out of water, please. Ay, naaram.
Mura lagi siya nagka-sakit si Prince, ma'am.
Nagka?
Mura siya ka ng, ano ba? Ang sa ilong ko, mura din na ba sa panahon na?
Dili, alamatan din yan.
Oh.
Wala na dito. Kung bakit nung ayas naman ba?
Ay, asthmatic siya?
Yes, nanana.
Di alata ba no?
Langan, very nagka-bowa. Sa mga makaanoan siya, ha? Ay, gang. Kung cheese whiz gang, be. Ano dara sa ano? Sa libranan. Cover yung, ano, mag-sneeze ka.
Diba? That is not the same na denominator. What we're going to do? 7 times 5. Skip down. Dito.
Dali ko, tupik lang.
Okay, next. 37 times 5. Butterfly. 37 times 5. You do the solution. Kaya medyo malaki yan siya. Sige. Okay. 5. 37. Okay. Next. 7 times 5. Ang 5, you put it under. Oh, you carry 3. Oh, you erase yan. Very good. Carry 3. Please. Thank you, ma'am. Dili ka kapupon?
I just don't have a
Sige, 5 times 3, kuya.
Ako lang, pag-uhat.
Oh, meron pang carry ha, plus. 80, 285. So you put it 285. Very good. Plus. Okay, plus man yung sign. What's next? 7 times 4. Okay, very good. 285 plus 28. You do the solution. Para hindi magkamali. Plus, kuya na times. 285 plus.
Dali ka.
5, very good. 8 and 2. Correct. Eight plus 5, it's not 12. It's not 11, kuya. 8 plus 5.
8, 9,
Do not include 8.
9,
Yan.
10, 11,
12.
12, 13.
13. So it's 13. 3, carry 1 next. Very good. So 313. So put 313 all over 35. That is not our final answer because naka-improper. Make it into a mixed number, kuya. 313 all over 35. So put dyan sa ilalim, kuya. Yan. 313. Tapos 35 sa side. Okay. Think of a number. You do trial and error. Choose from 0 to 9. Ang pwede mo i-test is this one, ha. Dapat it should not go above sa 313. Start, kuya. Okay, what number? Take a guess. Okay, sige daw. Correct. Correct. Is 210 enough? Hindi. So hindi. Choose another number. Okay. 35. Okay, 7 times 5. Tama? 7 times 3. Oh, tama. So, is 245 enough? Hindi. So, think of another number. Very good. Correct. Oh, so 315. Oh, 315 is greater than 313. You cannot choose 9 ha. So, lower down ka. Yan. Very good. Very good. Carry. Correct. Next. Eight, 16, 4, 24 plus 4. 28. Oh, so that's the answer because it's not greater than 313. 8. Oh, 8 times 35. That's, okay, very good. Minus. 3 minus 0. Ah, 3 minus 0. Correct. We cannot do that one. 1 minus 8, bawal. Yan. 11 minus 8. Correct. Ah, so, finalize your answer. So, dito, 33. Lagay dito, 33. Yan. Oh, mixed number na. Okay, correct. 35, correct. Then, 33. Not 28. Okay, very good. Okay, so nakuha mo na ha. So, this one, ang ilalagay ko naman kuya kay minus ha. Okay. 6, 2, 5, minus 2, 2/3. Okay. Ah, that one. Sige. Di ba that's mixed number tapos proper? You cannot solve it. So, you have to turn that one into an improper. Correct. Tama? All over? Correct. Minus. Okay, congrats. Next. Wait lang. 5 times 3. Not minus. 15. Tama. Next. Oh, do the solution. Okay, medyo malaki ang number. Okay. Tama. Next. Okay. Tama. Okay. So it's 96. Okay. Minus. What minus? Yeah, next. 5 times 2. Oh, 96 minus 10. Correct. All over. 15. Oh, hindi siya final answer. Correct. 15. Oh, trial and error. Okay. Okay. Tama. Oh, 75. So, is that our answer? 5 hindi. Okay. That's the closest kuya, which is hindi siya naglampas ng 86. Oh, minus. 8 minus 7. Correct. Make it into mixed number. Very good. Congratulations. Okay, nakuha mo ha. Now kuya, ang ibibigay ko naman sa'yo is multiplication. Okay. 2, tapos 1/4 times natin sa 3/5. Okay, this one daw kuya. Okay. How many water? Hello, Gabriela. Gabriela, hello, Gabriela. Hello. Sige, same process. Pero muna multiplication na yan siya. Correct? All over 4 times. Okay, next. You cannot do the butterfly ha, that's multiplication. Oh, that's multiplication. Oops! You do that one. Di ba division yun siya yung ganun? Multiplication na yun. Straight ahead lang. Okay, tama. Next. You cannot do the butterfly. You go straight ahead. Next. 27 all over 20. Oops, tama na. That's 27 na. 27 all over 20. Is that our final answer? Hindi. 27, 20. Very good. 1 kaagad. They are close to each other naman. 27 minus 20. Correct. May kinatuloy number na. Equals. Very good. Pakita ko. Next. Try division. Same process. Plus 5 pa kuya. 7 times 4 lang ang gigawa mo. Wala ka ni plus 5. It's not 28. Plus 5 pa. 33 all over 7. Divided by? Divided by 1/2. Okay? Next. Okay, equals. Sige. Wait lang. This is division. You cannot do multiplication, kuya. You do this one. 7 times 1. Whoop. 33 times 2. Whoop. Okay. Where do you put 7? Diba 7 times 1 is 7? It should be at the bottom. Okay. Tama pala. 33 times 2. Very good. 66 all over 7. That is not the final answer. You have to make it into a mixed. Okay. Very good. 7. Wait lang, bakit ang gitest mo lagi kay 66 kuya? You should be trying or testing 7. Hmm. 5 times 7. Seven is not enough. 10 is na nakaabot ng 66. Think of a number. Isa pa. Not overlap sa 66 but closest to 66. Sige, think of another number. 5 is not enough, 6 is not enough. 7 times 7. Oh, 49. So 49 is enough. Hindi pa din. Hindi siya nakaabot ng 66. Think of any other number. Hmm. 56. Hindi pa siya enough kuya. Hindi siya nakaabot ng 66. 9 times 7. 63. So that's the closest answer. So 9. 9 times 7. 63. 66 minus 63 kuya. Okay. So that's the final answer. So